Well, we live in a world of germs, and we know, of course, that certain surfaces and locations are dirtier than others. Now, scientists warn your cash may be one of the dirtiest things you handle all day long. Our medical expert, Dr. Kevin Campbell, joins us now. And Dr. Campbell, this is a pretty disgusting one.
I was blown away when I researched this story. It's pretty scary what you see on the money.
Yeah, what is on that cash?
You know, you would be amazed that money has been shown to have all this bacteria, drugs like cocaine, as well as DNA from animals. A study published in PLOS ONE showed that there were over 100 different strains of bacteria on dollar bills that were circulating in New York City. They also found traces of DNA from domestic animals and from specific bacteria that are only associated with certain foods. Additionally, in another study, traces of cocaine were found on almost 80% of the dollar bills in the study. Other drugs, including morphine, heroin, methamphetamine, amphetamine, were also found on the bills, but not as commonly as cocaine was.
Yeah, that really sounds at the outset very disturbing. So can you get sick from the drugs and bacteria found on the money? You know,
disease transmission from money is really, really rare. The drugs found on the money are in such small amounts and concentrations that they would really have no effect on you, wouldn't hurt you. U.S. money is still made from a blend of cotton and linen, which has been shown to have higher bacterial growth than plastic-type monies. Many other countries have moved to a plastic polymer, such as Canada, in order to reduce the amount of bacteria on their cash. Thankfully, researchers are now working on ways to actually clean money between transactions, such as putting older bills through a process where they are exposed to gases such as carbon dioxide at a very high temperature. This will strip the dollar bills of oils and dirt left behind by human fingers and can also kill microbes that would otherwise remain there.
So is there any way to prevent passing on the bacteria on the money?
You know, we really don't know how much disease has been spread from touching bills over the year, but simple rules that your mother probably taught you can help us reduce this. You know, make sure that you don't touch the bills, touch your mouth. Make sure you wash your hands before and after touching money, and make sure that you certainly don't let your children put the dollar bills in their mouth and that sort of thing. It's a dirty, dirty surface.
Yeah, and kids want to put everything in their mouths these days.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks, Dr. Campbell.